Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Hytale, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem, object reference not set to an instance of an object on Hytale easily. So this problem has a very easy solution. You just need to remove your mods that you may have installed on your game. So just open up your start menu, right here run, and then write app data. And now you're going to go into roaming, and then you're going to go into Hytale, and then you're going to go into user data. You're going to go into mods, and here you're going to have all of your mods. So now what you can do is you can either move all of these mods into a different location, or you can just delete all of the mods. I'll suggest you to move all of the mods into a different location and then try to play the game with one mod installed at a time. And if it works, then you can try it with two mods, and if it works, then you can try it with three, and so on and on. And that way you can eliminate the mod that's having trouble with the game. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.